Well, the sun's starting to come up a little bit, brighten the day, right? But what if your in-laws are driving you crazy this time of year? You're feeling the pressure to pop the question for the holidays? Well, guess what? We can help. Dr. Chloe is actually here with us, and she has a remedy for all the holiday stress, especially for family planning, right?
Absolutely, Tom. Thanks so much for having me.
Sure.
It's true. During the holidays, the stress level can go up, and couples need to find ways to stay close. And so having a baby is one of those stressors that can get bigger around the holidays because of the emphasis on family planning and the family events. So I always encourage couples to think in advance about how they can keep the stress low, which actually helps to increase their fertility anyway with their holiday baby goals. So,
but it's one of those times where you know you're going to be seeing a lot of family, you know you're going to be seeing a lot of family and friends, and that automatically adds the stress because you know the question that they're going to be asking you. Hey, you guys been married for like 6 years now. When am I going to get some grandkids?
Exactly.
I mean that just mounts to it. So how do you handle that conversation?
Exactly. The beauty of it is that you can plan ahead. So, for example, when you're trying to manage your fertility calendar, for couples who are trying to have a baby, it can be very stressful to manage the fertility calendar, the supplements, everything else.
Right.
So I actually encourage them to use an app. It's called the Fruitful Way app, and the Fruitful Way app helps them because it syncs up their fertility calendar with their holiday calendar. It gives them romantic reminders at just the right time. And as for how
I like how you said that. Romantic reminders. Like, okay, just say, hey, what's an example of that?
It actually will. It'll give the husband a text that says, hey, it's a good night to take your wife out to dinner because she's in her fertile window. Because keeping track of all of that during the holidays with time management can be so hard.
Okay.
But as you said, with the in-laws as well, managing those conversations, and again, just like with the Fruitful app and you're planning ahead, you can plan ahead for those conversations with the in-laws as well.
Okay.
And one of the most important things is for the couple to be on the same page together. So if the mother-in-law always tends to say, hey, where's my grandkids?
Right.
The bride, for example, can feel really on her own with that.
And maybe the one in-law would just ask that one, either the female or the male or who's ever in the relationship, more about it, one more than the other. So they get the stress. Okay.
Exactly.
Gotcha.
And so the couple can mitigate that by planning ahead and having a script. So they might literally even join hands at that moment and say, hey, Mom, we really want to have that baby too, and you'll be amongst the first to know, but we'd like to not have any more conversations about it during this particular holiday trip. And just having a plan in advance helps to reduce stress.
That's a great tip. Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much. We appreciate that. Tell me the name of the app again.
Sure. It's the Fruitful Way app. It's in the App Store.
In the App Store. And it really doesn't have to, I mean, romantic tips, just a little reminders for it. I mean, that's good for everybody.
It's true. Even my clients who don't want to have a baby enjoy it, honestly, because
I'm thinking about downloading it too. And we're not having any more kids, so come on.
Yeah.
But there's always fun in practicing.
Exactly. It keeps the process fun and romantic the way it should be.
It's the holidays. Thank you very much. Dr. Chloe, we appreciate your time. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me, Tom.
Sure. All right, we're coming up.